Hello. Let's quickly solve let's find the value of x in this particular expression, in this algebraic expression. Now, for us to get the value of x here, find the value of x in, let's say okay, x root x is equals to 27. Okay, let's say solution x root x is equals to 27. Now, to remove this particular square root, we need to square both sides. So, squaring both sides gives, so by the time we square both sides, what do we have? You have what? X root x raised to the power 2 is equals to 27 raised to the power of 2. Okay, so now x raised to the power 2 is what? X squared dot, that is multiplied by the root sign here, we cancel out by this square. So you have x here is equals to what? 27 to the power of 2. So when you expand this, that is x raised to the power 2 multiplied by, is like saying x raised to the power 2 plus 1. You know, x is common now. This has a power 1. So according to law of indices, when the bases are equal, you add the powers together. Okay? So that will give us x raised to the power what? 3. Okay? Now is equal to what? 27 to the power of 2. Now we can get a multiple of 3 for 27. So we have what? X raised to the power 3 is equal to what? 3 raised to the power 3 all raised to the power what? 2. Now, this 3 raised to the power 3 all raised to the power 2 can be written with interchange 2 for 3. So we can say what? X raised to the power 3 is equal to 3 raised to the power 2 all raised to the power 3. Now, you observe that we now have the same exponents on both left and right hand side. So we have 3 here, we have 3 here. So they cancel out. So we have what? X is equal to 3 raised to the power 2 is what? It's 9. So our answer here is x is equal to 9. Bye.